Good afternoon, guys. It's a 4:46 p.m. Today is February 17th. Today is Friday. So today no longs in ES as long as it is below 1113 or goes lower into 37 or below. So the idea here is below this no longs, but if it goes below this then you can take longs. Okay, so between this to this only shorts allowed. Okay, clear instruction here, only shorts. Okay, basically now I'm explaining what is this, right? So I just told you between this and this no longs. Okay, NQ no longs below 536. Now price is out of the garbage range in ES, this area, right? So you want the price to stay that way, which it did, right? Today it stayed below 4100. NQ is still in the garbage. Okay, now remember weekly time frames are in balance mode still. DOW is at do or die. So DOW went down yesterday, right? And then today also. And then this one, last thing, right? Today is Friday. I'm not expecting a big move, assuming now watch this, right? Assuming price chops around of the open, then right, then no, I'm not expecting big move, right? Especially if you see an up move between 7 to 10:30, then all price is going to do is revisit Globex low or slight lower during RTH and then ping pong, right? Now let's go here. So 7 o'clock right here, right? And then okay, so 7 to 9:40 it stayed up. Instead of 10:30 it stayed up, right? And then I said, so I'm 1 hour off here in my timing, but the pattern was if it stays up, then during RTH you can see all it stays Globex low or little bit lower, and then entire day ping pong. Okay, so that was the statement. And then ideally I want to see price staying below 4100, and in Discord I said below 86 and 77, which price did pretty much stay below 86, right? Now we are only taking shorts, correct? So it opened right at 72. Okay, then price went higher, right? And then here, right here, when price was here, I was waiting for it to poke above 83. Damn thing just touched 83 and just came down. NQ same thing, I was waiting for 428, and but the moment it came down I said it's a failed breakout, but I wanted to stay a little bit higher, so I was waiting to short a little bit higher, and then price just left us, it just tanked. At that point I said you can go with the flow, but I really don't want to do it. So we waited. Okay, we didn't do anything. Then price went down. So some of the folks might have taken the shorts, I did not. So it just left us basically. And then we were watching it. Then price came down here, right? So I wanted to see. I was explaining. So now it should go here, and you want to see a bounce from here. Okay, I didn't take any trades. Okay, I didn't want to see any bounce above this area basically. And then price went higher, straight up, right? Like here, That's where I said the day is screwed up now. At that point I said day is screwed up. That means you will see a chop like this, So no trading. I didn't trade it. I said, what, day is screwed up, I will just watch. So I was watching it, and doing other work parallelly. Then price did this. So then I got interested to see. I was typing in Discord at that time. Then again it went higher. Okay, so this time, what time is it? 10:37. Was it 10:37? 10:37. Right here. Right. So this time, right? So it went higher again here. Right. This time it went above. See, first time, then it came down, right? But now this buyers were so strong, right? So I didn't pay attention. Second time when it went higher, this candle was green. See, there is a tail, but when it was running it was green, right? It was trying to go about this. Then I started paying close attention, right? Same thing in NQ. This is a dream number, you know, powerful number to the tick. Look at this, it held it, right? So then I got interested here. So at that time, you know, around what time it was, it 10:38, right here, you know, at the top. So I typed in Discord saying watch 72, this one, and watch 348, which is, there is no line there, but that was a real-time reading. Okay, 348. Okay, now I zoom in. Oops, where is it? 348, right? You can see it here. That's a 348. Okay, and this is 72. That was the trade right there, you know. So I typed it in Discord saying at 10:38, right here at the top, right? And I'll show you also, you know. Hold on. $10:38. See that? 75 is the key in ES to watch. Below sellers. NQ 348. See that? Exit timing. Now. And then I said 10:46:45 EST 1 minute candle. Right? So which is this. So it was 10:42 actually. I was watching at 5-minute chart. So that's why I said 45, 46. But it was right here. You know. That's where it broke. Right here. 10:44. Right? That's where the trade was, right here. It broke it, and 45, 46, actually I'm right here. See that? 3048 touch, you can see it here. Right here. That was the short. Right there. It was a breakdown of this area. Fail breakout and breakdown. Right there. And that is what I said in Discord. Look for fail breakdown. Balance and breakdown. Sorry, fail breakout or balance and breakdown. Right there. That was your trade. And here, same thing. Balance, breakdown, and if you zoom in, you will see it. The price touched it. 71.50 I said, right? 71.50. Trade was right here. Same time, 10:45, 10:46 candle. Right here. Okay. Now, where is the target? Target is, hold on, let me show you in Discord also. Scaling level for that trade 57.50, 51, 42, 37, 27, right? And NQ also 288, 270, right? And I gave more, also more level. So 288 right here, right? 270, it didn't get there, but later in the day it get there. See that? So that was the trade right there. ES 57, that was the first scaling level. You can see it here. 57.50 right here. See? Then that's my trade. 10:45, 72.50 and 71. That's the candle, right? And then later in the day I played long also, and short from here, long from here, short from here, around 11:50 short, and then, you know, between after 11:25 some longs. Okay, which is so I was just killing my time, you know. It was not like, so from here I played long, this one I played short also, right here, and some longs, So as I said, right, there is no long. I was just playing around, just honing my skill, just one contracts. But you're better off taking shorts. See that? No longs, it takes time, but shorts are easier to grab, but anyway, this was the only trade. Ideally this was all garbage anyway, so I wouldn't even talk about that much, but this was the garbage trading day, but this was the only trade, a good trade for the day, Friday, right? And it chops around, right? Here also I typed in Discord, that now it will go higher from here, right here from 70 to 50. That's the long I also took it right here. So here I said, if it holds above 70 to 50, it's going to go to 83, right? Now I can show you the trade also if you want to see. So that's the trade, right? Around what, 218, that's the long, right? 71, and I played a long here at 135, right here, and then I went out. I didn't like it, scratch it off, right? And then I played around some here, and then here there is a long, right? 83 was my target, yeah? And then 83 touched it here, right? So 134, 219, right? And then this is 219, as I talked about it. 134 was roughly around right here, right? So, and then 83 I said is my target in Discord. Hold on, let me show you that also. Where is it? So here, right, 224, ES may go to 83, NQ go to 390, right? And then 224, that's where I got the trade, right? Exactly here I showed you already. This is 83, right? NQ I said 390, which is 224. This was the trade in NQ, and then 390, see, right? So that we all easy peasy today. So this was, I was just playing around. Real trade was this, okay? And that be all. One more thing, see, if you go back and look at yesterday's end of day video, I talked about watching a price for 210 Friday, 210 February 10th, before going into today. You can watch yesterday's end of day video, and now you can compare the 210 price and today's price. You will see similarity, and there is some difference, which I tweeted it, the difference also. You can check the tweet. And also yesterday end of day, I drew a box and I said, what, ideally I want price to stay in this box. Best case scenario, it can go up to this up to here, but I left this box as it is. End of the day yesterday, okay, in that video, and you can see it. The low of that box was 60. See that? Price pretty much stayed in that range. See that? In this range. Yep. Now that be all. I'll see you Monday.